Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Speaker. My name is Tanya and today we are going to learn how to use the verb get instead of all these verbs and grammatical constructions and talk about some set expressions and phrases with this verb. But before we continue, there's a free PDF worksheet with all the information from today's lesson and more exercises to practice. Just go to the description box, click the link and get your free of charge worksheet. Let's bring your English to the next level. So the first verb that get can be used instead of is receive. Receive. Receive basically means to be given something. Let's have a look at these examples. Daniel receives $100 each month from his grandmother. Or you can say, Daniel gets $100 each month from his grandmother. Next one is arrive. Arrive. You can say, we arrived at Venice at 5:30 or we got to Venice at 5:30. You can also use the verb get instead of buy. Sally didn't buy anything at the shop. Sally didn't get anything at the shop. Next one is quite long. It is to go somewhere and bring something back from that place. So you can say, could you go to the kitchen and bring me some water? Or could you get me some water from the kitchen? Next one is become ill with some disease. Like, oh, I don't feel well. I think I got food poisoning at that cafe. You can also use get in this one. Become plus adjective. You do so when you want to show the change of state or situation. For example, don't look at him straight in the eyes. He gets angry when it happens. Or, oh, it's getting cold. Winter is coming. Sorry, I cannot say it the same way as Jon Snow. Next one is a construction, have something done. Let's talk about have something done first. This is the construction that we use when someone does something for us and we pay for this service. Like at dentists, at any beauty salon, mechanic, and so on. So we can say, I had my car repaired. I had my car repaired. Or if you want to sound more informal, use got instead of had. I got my car repaired. I got my car repaired. We can also use get in the passive form. And we usually form passive by be plus past participle. So it would sound like, he was fired yesterday. Do you know anything about it? Or, he got fired yesterday. Do you know anything about it? In most cases, you can use either or, get or one of these verbs or constructions. But there's a tendency in speaking to use get. But you should remember that get is a neutral or more informal verb, so avoid using it in writing. Now let's have a closer look at some expressions with get. The first one, and my favorite, is use get in the meaning of understand. As in, do you get it? I don't get it. Oh, I get it now. Do you understand it? I don't understand it. Oh, I understand it now. Next one is that really gets me. That really gets me. It really gets me when you leave dirty dishes in the sink. It makes me so angry when you leave dirty dishes in the sink. So you see, that really gets me is make me angry or make someone angry. Next one is get rid of something. Get rid of something. Last weekend, I got rid of all of my old clothes. I threw them away. Get rid of, throw something away. Moving on to get out of bed on the wrong side. Get out of bed on the wrong side. And this is the time when you're in a bad mood all day and everything and everyone annoys you. Let's have a look at this example. Why are you being so rude? Did you get out of bed on the wrong side or something? Well, this one definitely happens, especially when someone wakes me up at the weekend early morning. Alright, and the last one is get a life. Get a life. Get a life. You've been playing computer games all week. Come on, get a life. But be careful with this phrase, because by saying that, you mean that what the person is busy with is stupid and not worth doing. And that's all. That's all I wanted to share with you today. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to go to the description box and get your free of charge PDF worksheet to practice more, to go through all the information of today's lesson. Thank you for being here with me. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!